Have you ever wondered about the vastness of the universe, the mystery of time, and the concept of space? Let's embark on a journey, a venture to the farthest reaches of our understanding, where we'll attempt to grasp the seemingly infinite nature of the universe. This universe, as we know it, is an expansive and boundless expanse that stretches beyond our human comprehension. It's where everything that we know of exists. From the smallest subatomic particles, atoms, molecules that make up the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the very cells in our bodies, to the grandeur of galaxies, nebulae, and superclusters of galaxies. Yet, the universe isn't all about physical matter. It's also where the intangible occurs. Forces, energies, the bending of light, the pull of gravity, the expansion of space itself. It's a cosmic ballet of astronomical proportions, a dance of particles and forces that's been going on since the dawn of time itself. And what about space? Often we think of space as nothingness, an emptiness that merely serves as a backdrop for matter to exist. But space is much more than that. It's a stage where the drama of the universe unfolds. Space is a three-dimensional area where things occur and exist. It's not just an empty void, it's a dynamic and integral part of the universe, filled with energy, fields, and even particles that pop in and out of existence. So space isn't just where things happen, it's a participant in the events that shape the universe. It's the fabric on which the embroidery of existence is woven, a canvas painted with the broad strokes of cosmic phenomena and the fine details of quantum mechanics. The universe and space are concepts that stretch beyond human comprehension, but what about time? Time, an enigma that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. But what exactly is time? Is it a river flowing ceaselessly into the future, or perhaps a ticking clock, relentlessly marking the seconds of our existence? In reality, time is not something we see, but something we measure. It's a dimension, much like length, width, and height, where events occur in a sequence. From the moment we wake to the second we drift off to sleep, our lives are governed by this invisible force. But what if I told you that time as we know it is not absolute? Yes, you heard it right. It's not the same for everyone, everywhere. This mind-bending idea comes from none other than Albert Einstein, with his groundbreaking theory of relativity. Einstein proposed that time is not a rigid, unchanging entity, but rather a fluid concept that can speed up or slow down depending on the speed of the observer. This is known as time dilation. For example, if you were traveling close to the speed of light, time would appear to slow down for you relative to someone who is stationary. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's a proven reality. Time's mutable nature also comes into play in the presence of gravity. The stronger the gravitational field, the more time slows down. This is why time moves slightly faster on a mountaintop than at sea level. But why does all of this matter? Because it shifts our understanding of the universe from a static Newtonian perspective to a dynamic Einsteinian one. Time, it turns out, doesn't exist in a vacuum. It is woven together with space into a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. So the next time you glance at your watch, remember, time isn't just ticking away. It's pulsing, stretching, and intertwining with the very fabric of the cosmos. Time, a fundamental entity of the universe, ties deeply with space, forming a concept that revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Scene script: space and time, two seemingly separate entities, yet they merge into a continuum known as space-time. But what does this mean? Imagine a vast, unending sheet of fabric. This fabric represents space-time, the very foundation of our universe. It's not just the stage where all cosmic events play out, but it's an actor itself, dynamically interacting with everything within it. But what exactly is space-time? Well, it's a four-dimensional model that combines the three dimensions of space, length, width, and height, with one dimension of time. It's the cosmic loom upon which the threads of the universe are woven, creating the intricate tapestry of existence that we're part of. Now picture a heavy ball placed on this fabric. It sinks in, creating a dimple or curvature around it. This is precisely what happens when mass or energy is present in the universe. Planets, stars, galaxies, they all distort the fabric of space-time, creating a curve or a gravity well. So what's the big deal about this curve? This is where the magic happens. Objects moving along the fabric of space-time follow the curve. This is what we perceive as gravity. That's right, gravity isn't just a force pulling us down, it's the curvature of space-time guiding our path. Think about the Earth revolving around the Sun. It's not just that the Sun's gravitational pull is keeping the Earth in orbit. It's more that the Earth is following the curvature in space-time caused by the Sun's massive presence. Even light doesn't escape this rule. It may seem to travel in a straight line, but in reality, it's following the curves in space-time. This is why light from distant stars appears to bend when it passes near a massive object like a galaxy or a black hole. Space-time, a concept that helps us understand the workings of the universe, from the motion of planets to the paths of light. We've unraveled the fabric of the cosmos, and it's a mind-bending, awe-inspiring weave of space and time. The universe, time, and space. Three complex concepts that form the basis of our existence and understanding of everything around us. We've journeyed together through the expansive universe, our all-embracing cosmic home that holds everything we know and all that we don't. We've explored space, the three-dimensional stage where all cosmic events play out, from the twinkle of distant stars to the mesmerizing dance of galaxies. Then, we took a deep dive into time, that elusive concept that orders our lives yet remains relative and dependent on one's position and speed. The grand finale was the concept of space-time, the fabric of the universe, merging both space and time into a four-dimensional continuum, a concept that reshaped our understanding of the cosmos. While we continue to probe these concepts, we realize that the more answers we find, the more questions we unravel. Such is the beauty and mystery of the universe, time, and space.